In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to Outlook in just 5 minutes. Now, we all know how managing your emails can sometimes feel overwhelming. And wouldn't it be great to have a way to add a little context or reminders to your messages? Well, Outlook offers a convenient option to attach notes to your emails, making it easier to organize your workflow. Let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Outlook account. Make sure you're using your preferred browser and head over to Outlook's website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials. This might seem elementary, but it's the gateway to accessing all of Outlook's useful features, including the note-adding functionality we'll explore today. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox. This is where all your incoming mail is housed, and it serves as the starting point for this process. Take a moment to locate the email to which you want to add some notes. You might want to sift through the messages carefully, particularly if your inbox is a bit cluttered. Find that email that stands out. Maybe it's a project update or an important reminder that you'll need some extra notes on. After selecting the email, you'll want to click to open it. Outlook presents your emails in an easy-to-read format, and by selecting it, you'll see the contents of the message fully displayed. Take a moment to scan through the email. At this point, your mind is likely teeming with thoughts, ideas, or reminders that could be pivotal. So let's channel those into something actionable. Look to the toolbar, specifically for the OneNote IE icon. OneNote is Microsoft's versatile note-taking tool, seamlessly integrated into Outlook to expand each email's usefulness. By clicking the OneNote icon, you'll begin the process of attaching your thoughts directly to the email in question. Think of it as adding a page from your mental notebook right next to your digital mail. Next, you'll see an option to Add a Note. This is where you bring your brilliance into play. Click on it, and you'll open up a text box where your words can flow. Draft your thoughts, whether they're notes about next steps for a project, key points to remember, or simply a reminder for later. Make sure it reflects the insights or context you want to remember. Finally, type the note you want to add. The beauty of this feature is its flexibility. You get to decide what's important to highlight and what needs attention. The note you add will remain with the email, making it an ever-ready point of reference whenever you revisit that message. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to add notes to your Outlook emails, taking your email management to the next level. Happy note-taking!